Hello everyone, so now I am going to share my new assignment for the sports medal analysis. So this overview, in this assignment we will create a dashboard to analyze medals won in different categories over the past 120 years. Okay, so this is the overview of this project. The visualizations need to be added is charts, cards, KPIs. You can also add the custom visualization. Okay, anyone you want clustered would be preferable. Yeah, so we can add any charts and the cards, APIs, and the custom visualizations. Okay. The requirements is to it should be record of the medals according to the years, country, and the session. Show records on the basis of country, year, gender, and session. All the details of the youngest medalist should be shown in report. Should be details of medal collected by country and gender, sports, and players. So this is the requirement, and we need to the report for this particular requirement. Okay. So this is the dashboard. Same dashboard we need to build in the Power BI now. Let's move towards the Power BI report, and here I can show you what I made for this particular task. Okay. This is the text box sports medal analysis added. I added as a header as heading for this particular report. Then the slicer country and the year. For the country, we can select any country from this and any year from this. Okay, this. So this we can see. I have inserted one shape from here. Then on that shape, I have filled with this different color, and then in on that shape, I have added one card, and there I have added the total number of the gold, okay, by filtering. So how I did this? So I have added these medals in the filter, and then I have taken for the gold. So then this gold is here. Then the sum, on the field we did it as a sum. Okay, so it will gives me the count or the sum. Okay. So same I have did for the silver. I have added first shape, and then on that shape I added the card, and then uh, I have added the filter for this bronze and silver, and then I'll count these numbers. Okay. So this is the slicer for the sex, like female or male. We can see the data for the particular female data, gender, or the males. Okay. This is this season where we can add a filter on the summer or the winter, like for the medal analysis, who won medals in the summer and who won the medals in the winter, we can see from this filter. Then this chart is the tree map I have added from this visualization pane, and here top 5 countries by medals. So we can see these 5 countries by the medals. So more count is this for the United States. We can see 5219 medals for this particular United States country. Next is for this Soviet Union. Next is for Germany. So we can see how many count for this particular country of the medals. Okay. The next is this is the matrix I have taken from this visualization pane, and I have added the name in the rows, and the values I have added the gold, silver, bronze. Okay. So we can see the data. We can see the count of the but by particular name, how much medals and which medal they have won. We can see from here. This is the count of medal by team. This is the chart. This is this stacked column chart, and here we can see the count of medal by team. So there are the count of team from 0 to 5.22k. So we can see the more count is for this United States, then this is decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. The less is for Norway. So we can focus on this report. So we can see for United States there is a more count of winning the models, sorry, the medals, and then the less is for Switzerland one. Okay, back to the report. We can see this. This is the matrix I have added from this visualization pane, and here I have analyzed the sports name and the medal values. Like I have added the medal names in the column header, and in the rows header, this is the sports and the values of in the values ID. Okay, so how many is from which sport? How many are uh, winning the medals? Like how many win the bronze? How many gold and how many silvers? We can analyze this from this matrix. So this is about this assignment. Thank you for watching this video.